If you've ever looked up to the clouds in the sky and said to yourself, I wonder what it would be like to walk through those, you are in luck, because today, that's exactly what we're doing. You may be able to tell from all the white blazes, but I'm back on the Appalachian Trail. I started my hike today at Tesnatee Gap, and I'm heading southbound, so Sobo, up Cowrock Mountain. Now, here's the thing. I don't really have a plan for today. I've got several trails around the area that I could do to connect to get to my 5 miles for the day. And if you're new here to this channel, hello, my name is Megan, otherwise known as Sunrise on Trail. And currently I am on week 5 of a challenge that I created for myself to build back up endurance, where every week for 12 weeks, I am adding 1 mile to my hike until I can get back up to 12 miles hiked in one day. So this is week 5, I'm hiking 5 miles. I don't know that I'm going to want to keep hiking on this trail because that's going to be a lot of elevation gain if I do an out and back. So I'm playing with the idea of getting 500 to 600 feet of gain, turning around and then going down to Smithgall Woods and finishing out my miles there. But we'll see how it plays out. I mean, it's a beautiful day on trail. There's literally no one out here, which is amazing. It's so quiet, it's so peaceful. So let's have a great day of hiking. Hey, little buddy. It is surprisingly cooler out here this morning than I thought it would be. It's in the 60s, which is so nice, but it's also damp. I'm starting to warm up from the climbing, but what a lovely day. Oh, look at those. Usually this goes to a nice little view. Let's see. Oh yeah. Stunning. Look at all these spider webs out here this morning. Just glad they're not in the trail. All right, friends. It is time to lose the rain jacket. The climbing has won over. Let's go. Still climbing. In case you're wondering, my watch says this is a 22% grade. It's been between like 15 and 25 for this climb. Not crazy, but we're definitely testing my my limits, so that's good. If you want to see what this part of the trail looks like with, you know, a little bit of mountain views, then I will link, I can't remember if this was day 3 or day 4 of my Appalachian Trail through hike, but I'll find it and I'll link it here and I'll put it down in the description below if you do want to see what this looks like on a clear day. Oh my goodness, look at this tree. It looks like it's glowing. Ah. We are getting so close. I can see the actual top of the trees on the top of the mountain now. So should just be a couple more switchbacks. Go, buddy, go. I'll race you. Here we are. Wow. Look at this view. I do actually think the sun might burn some of this off today, so maybe we will catch a glimpse on our drive down the mountain. All right, let's get some water and head on down. Oh, I know the camera isn't capturing this, but there is a cloud blowing through in front of me right now. Oh, it looks so cool. I do need to be very careful. The first part of this descent is very rocky and slick, so I'm gonna put the phone away and I will see you in a little bit. I think we've got one more of those rocky, I wouldn't call it a scramble, but with it being wet, I definitely just need to pay a little bit of extra attention and have both of my hands free. But I wanted to go ahead and ask you the question of the day. With schools starting back in my area, I've been thinking about teachers that have left an impact on me throughout the years. Whether that's been an impact in the outdoors, like my teacher in middle school and high school who inspired me to hike the Appalachian Trail because of his hike, or teachers like my 4th grade teacher who really inspire me in my faith, and I still keep in contact a little bit with her. You know, we're friends on Facebook and we see what each other are doing, but she still inspires me in my faith and in my walk with the Lord. So in just thinking about that, I would love to hear if you're comfortable with sharing. Obviously, you don't have to share names or anything, but if you had a teacher that made an impact in your life, maybe just sharing what grade you were in, if you can remember, and what subject they taught, if you can remember, and what their impact was. Yes, those teachers were teaching me the curriculum in their classroom, but they taught me something so much more in my life that I will be eternally grateful for. You know, I think of another teacher I had who, I went to a Christian school, if I haven't mentioned that, and I think of another teacher I had in 10th grade who was really just pivotal in my walk with the Lord through an apologetics class that he taught. So even in curriculum, you know, teachers have a way of making an impact. But I don't know, that's just been on my mind this week, and I would love to hear y'all share if you would like to down in the comments. I do love that there are a couple cute little flowers still hanging out. I mean, maybe I'm hallucinating, but I think I can see some mountains peeking out through the trees over there. There's a 0% chance you could see them, but look, that is blue sky, and I think that's a mountain there. That was the other bit that I just came down from up there. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. I do kind of wish I had brought a trekking pole with me for this descent. I mean, it's fine. I'm making do without it, just moving probably a little bit slower. But I just didn't factor in, I've done this hike up to Cowrock and back down, you know, in the dark. I've done it so many times. And I usually don't bring trekking poles with me, so just didn't even think about it. But with it being wet, mental note for next time. I'm starting to hear the cars from the highway down there. Richard B. Russell. It means we are getting close. And by getting close, I mean getting close to the coffee and the Chick-fil-A hash browns that are waiting for me in the car. I am so motivated by food. It's not even funny. We're back. Oh, I have a friend. They must have gone the other way because, like I said, it was just me and the birds up there. So, very nice. Well, that was 2 miles. So my plan is to go back down. I think it's about a 20-minute drive to get to Smithgall Woods, and then I'm going to do a 3-mile hike there. Now, I'm sorry, but I'm not going to bring you along for that hike. I will film just some little snippets from it but I really just want, 3 miles to myself. I'm gonna be a little selfish and just spend some time with the Lord on that hike. So like I said, if there's anything exciting, I will film it. I'll show it to you all and do a little montage here at the end. But yeah, and if we get a view on the way down, it looks like the clouds have kind of rolled back in. So I don't know that we will, but if we do, I will definitely be showing it to you. But thank you all so much for watching today's video. If you would like to keep following along, why are there so many branches falling off that tree? If you want to keep following along, then feel free to press that subscribe button and press the bell so that you don't miss a video. The YouTube algorithm is always changing, and even if you subscribe, it doesn't always like to show you the content to the channels you're subscribed to. So I would really appreciate a like, a comment down below, anything to help boost engagement and support creators like me here on YouTube is much appreciated. But above and beyond all of that, I am just grateful for you all being here, for this little community that we've created on this side of YouTube. And thank you so much for your support, and for those of you who are following along or joining in on this 12 miles in 12 weeks challenge. Keep going, we got this, and yeah, thanks for your support, and I will see you next week. Can I say it? I don't know, if you watch this far, you get it. In Colorado. All right, bye, see you next week. Before you go, y'all want to see my view here at Hog Pen? And if you zoom in over there, still a little bit shrouded though, there is the tower on Brasstown Bald.
Footsteps on the company, and you call my